Hello! Today we will prepare chicken döner, tavuk döner. It is very easy. We will use chicken breast, olive oil, yogurt, tomato paste, onion, salt and pepper, paprika, thyme and cumin. In some recipes they also use drumstick, but we will prepare fit döner today. First add 1 spoon of tomato paste, 1 spoon yogurt, and 1 spoon of olive oil, and spices. Salt and pepper, paprika, thyme and cumin. Then grate 1 onion. If you wish, you can also add 1 clove of garlic, but I did not use. Now knead them like a dough. I used gloves. We will wrap this chicken mixture by using cling film. Close 2 sides of it and then wrap it very tightly. It will look like a candy. You can see both 2 sides. I will put it to freezer for 1 night. Before cooking, take it out of the freezer nearly 20 minutes before using. Open the cling film. Use sharp knife please, but be careful. It's really difficult to cut, to slice it. Here you can see. I used butter to fry, but if you want, you can also use olive oil. Fry both 2 sides in the medium heat. Now let's prepare onion. Slice onion. Then add sumak. Add lemon and add chopped parsley and play with them like a dough. I will make chicken wrap and I use lavash bread. First add chicken döner, then add onion and wrap it. I will serve it with some shakshuka and ayran. Please like the video, follow the channel and bon appetit!